Good morning. It's a beautiful looking start to our day, but it's still warm and muggy, and we are going to have another hot, humid one. But this time around, some showers and storms back in the forecast for our afternoon and evening. A weak front bringing that activity, and behind it, temperatures back to normal. So instead of mid 90s, upper 80s to about 90 degrees from tomorrow and beyond. And I will tell you, while rain chances aren't super high over the next couple of days, they're sticking around, and I do think they will go up heading towards the beginning of our weekend. So I want to show you the Storm Prediction Center. Better chance for severe weather is going to be out west today, but they've added in our far southeastern counties for the late afternoon and evening hours for 1 or 2 gusty storms. So yes, that is a marginal risk, a 1 out of 5 on the scale. And honestly, really in the coming days, our severe threat is generally low, but any storms that develop will have heavy rain, some gusty winds, and frequent lightning. So that is a part of the package, but no major severe weather expected in the coming days. About 30% coverage today, which means 70% of us, not a drop, and we're just stuck with the heat and humidity. Even lower rain chance for your Wednesday, and then we'll start to increase it again by the end of the work week and beginning of your weekend. I think the disturbance late Friday into Saturday is much stronger than what we're seeing here today, tomorrow, and Thursday. But right now, what we're seeing, whole lot of sunshine. Light winds out of the east and northeast this morning, less than 10 miles an hour, sun shining brightly. And really for the morning, that sun is going to warm us very quickly. And before you know it, here comes our front. Now, it's been kind of hanging off to the north of us, right along the Oklahoma and Kansas border. Widespread showers and thunderstorms, nothing severe. This will start to settle southward as the day goes on, eventually with heating of the day and that boundary approaching, more clouds and a few of those pop-ups. We're in the upper 80s and low 90s already by noontime, with highs in, I'd say, the low to mid 90s. I'm still going 95. I think that's a possibility just because this wet weather is not widespread. And then getting into the late afternoon, early evening, that drive home, still some activity around with some gusty wind and lightning potential. Once the sun sets, this boundary shifts south of us, we will quiet down, and then we are looking at another quiet start to tomorrow, just a few more clouds around for us. Lows tonight anywhere from upper 60s to mid 70s. And then as we go through your Wednesday, heating back up to normal, upper 80s, close to 90 degrees for much of North Texas, maybe a few spots in the mid 80s. And just with heating of the day, a couple of random pop-ups. That's all we have. I do think we could see slightly better rain chances the more west you go, but we'll have to watch that. I think in general, still pretty low coverage for your Wednesday, and then those rain chances will start ramping up by the end of our week into your weekend. Here's your forewarned 7-day forecast. 95 today. Your feels like close to 100. Eventually partly sunny skies and some of those showers and storms with our front coming in. 30% coverage down to 74 tonight, back to 89 tomorrow. 20% chance for that shower or rumble. And while we stay seasonably warm getting into your weekend, the best rain chances will take place Friday into Saturday.